Now that looks absolutely amazing. And can you believe that you don't need an overhead extractor now? It's all built in. This very efficient induction system removes the odors directly from the source. So when your pan is here, it removes the odors directly from above, rather than traditional extraction systems. So it has a touch-sensitive display panel, which is absolutely amazing and really intuitive, very easy to control. It has 4 hobs with 1 flexible zone, which means you could have 1 very large one here, or 2 separate ones here, or even just 2 there. It's absolutely amazing. The build quality is incredibly high. It is mainly glass and metal, which is fantastic. Very good craftsmanship. Integrated in this hob extractor are brushless DC motors, making it whisper quiet, especially for kitchens where noise reduction is crucial. So this product also has an energy efficient design, ensuring lower energy bills. Plasma Plus system integrated in this unit eliminates odors and viruses, maintaining a fresh and hygienic kitchen environment without the need for regular filter changes.